signature even makes doing the dishes look good with this flush fit 24-inch dishwasher. Again, we're going to focus on the LG signature handle. It's beautiful, but watch when I open it up. That LED backlighting really steals the show. It's going to add a nice ambiance to the kitchen. So we've got beautiful ball-bearing smooth glided racks, our most adjustable shelving, place for those tall mugs. We've got our QuadWash Pro and dynamic heat dry for a 1-hour wash and dry cycle. And if you check out the floor, it even tells you how much time is left right there.